Have you ever felt like life has taken everything away from you? Your dreams, your friends, even your hope? Stay with me till the end because this story might be the one you need to hear today. I promise you, it will change the way you see your struggles. My name is Daniel, and just 3 years ago I thought my life was over. I had a job I loved, friends I trusted, and a future I was building with so much passion. I thought I was on the right path. Until everything collapsed. The company I worked for shut down overnight. The people I thought were my friends disappeared one by one, and the person I loved walked away when I needed her the most. Imagine standing in an empty room with silence so loud it hurts. That's where I was. I felt like I had lost everything: money, love, and even my identity. But here's the strange part. Sometimes when life burns everything to the ground, it's not to destroy you. It's to rebuild you. In my darkest nights, I asked myself, who am I without my job? Without my friends? Without anyone to call my own? And the answer was terrifying, because I realized I didn't know. One night I looked in the mirror, and I couldn't even recognize the person staring back. That's when it hit me. I had two choices: stay broken forever, or rise and rebuild piece by piece. So I started small. I woke up early even when I didn't want to. I wrote down one thing I was grateful for, even if it was just I'm still breathing. I walked outside just to feel the sun on my face. And slowly, very slowly, the world stopped feeling like a prison. I realized something powerful. I don't need approval to exist. I don't need fake friends to feel loved. And I don't need everything to be something. The truth hit me hard. I had lost everything, but in that emptiness, I found myself. I discovered passions I had buried for years: writing, speaking, helping others. I met people who didn't care about my past failures, but valued my honesty and strength. I wasn't the same Daniel anymore. I was stronger, clearer, unshakable. Because when you lose everything, you discover the one thing that can never be taken away: your spirit, your will, your heart. So if you're listening to this right now, and you feel like everything is falling apart, trust me, I know that pain. But remember this: sometimes losing everything is not the end. It's the beginning. Because in the ashes of your old life, you can find the real you, the one who cannot be broken. If this story touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs hope today. And never forget this: you are stronger than you think.